Today I'm reacting to the best smelling TikTok ads ever.
What?
And I know I said smelling, but they're also selling. These little guys have made over $766,000 in the last 30 days.
We need to lick like that. We got bills to pay, futures to secure. We gotta buy more house, please.
So make sure you stay to the end, because the first TikTok made $18,000 and the last one made $191K. Good Lord. So this first TikTok creator sold $32,000 of these air diffusers. Their name is Kelso in the House. They have 438,000 followers on TikTok. Let's check out their video.
Whatever you do not buy these car air fresheners by scent season, because I need them all. Because my car smells like a freaking snickerdoodle.
So I never been a fan of snickerdoodle, not my favorite at all. I'm an oatmeal and raisin kind of guy, but I love the idea. I'm interested to see what other flavors they got. This next TikTok creator sold 37,000. Their name is Life with Jocelyn. They got 45,000 followers on TikTok. Let's check them out.
I love it. Ok, chicas, por fin voy a quitar esta cosa. Ok, el sol es a todo lo que
Hola.
Just beaming, babes, okay? Pero agarramos esto, we ordered these up.
I really like the packaging of these. They dope. I like the little shine.
The TikTok shop, they're air fresheners, and I finally threw that little thing away because, babe, it only lasts me a day. Nada más me dura un día. Esos pinitos, de así, like that. It's supposed to be wet so it can have that smell. Okay, I love it.
I can dig it. Hey, that's a note for myself. Get someone who speaks Spanish.
Sí.
So our next TikTok creator is coming in at 39K. Their name is I Am Skateboard B. 971,000 followers on TikTok. Let's check them out.
No, this one might be my new favorite. Literally everyone has commented about the mahogany teak wood. So, you know we gotta give it a try.
I ain't never heard of mahogany teak wood. ChatGPT, I need your help. Mahogany teak wood is a popular fragrance in candles, air fresheners, and other scented products. It's a combination that is often described as masculine and warm, with a subtle hint of sweetness and a touch of earthiness. Back to our regular scheduled programming.
Oh, yes. Perfect, just like that. Now the whole truck literally smells so fresh.
So we got 5 videos left until we get to the one that sold 191,000. But here's another one from Kelso in the House. Remember, we already did her, but she ended up creating another one. So you can get these TikTok creators to go ahead and promote for you back to back. Let's go ahead and see what this one look like.
Okay, she's right. Black icy is the only thing that like helps with leaves, and I have a lot of leaves, especially in my car, because like, yeah, my car does smell like leaves all the time.
You know
so
what?
black
I don't think I
icy
ever smelled
really
no
does help.
leaves. I can't recall. Alright, so this one is a day with Shay. She sold 44,000 of these bad boys. 279 followers on TikTok. Let's see what you got, Shay.
We got some scents from scent season, so we're gonna try them out. This one is buttercream, mahogany teak wood,
Okay.
which I'm gonna put in my husband's truck. That's like a manly smell. And then we have strawberry shortcake. Okay, so the way that these work is you take off the top and then you remove the little plastic piece and you put the top back on and put it down like this to saturate the top. Instantly, the whole car smells like buttercream. It smells very good. It's very, very strong.
So I ain't never been sold on buttercream either, but I'm sold on this product. I'm gonna get one after this video over. So next up, we already reviewed Buddy, but he did another video. I Am Skateboard B. He had 55K in this video. Hey man, if y'all ain't got nothing to sell, go sell somebody else stuff, bro. This a hustle for real.
Oh my god, you can literally already smell it. I just got a new package from Scent Season and I'm so excited. Let's open her up.
Dude, be hype.
Yes! Everybody was telling me to try a bunch of different scents, but the comment I got the most was barbershop. I'm super excited to try this one out.
Barbershop, I gotta try that one. 2 more videos to go, but this video made $133,000. This is Margaret_KOV. Go check her out on TikTok. She got 62,000 followers. Let's go see what this video be like.
So my car has a little bit of a funk going on. I don't know what it is. It's just a little bit stinky in here, okay? And you know these
Ooh,
guys.
she been passing
these
gas.
guys don't do anything. They smell great for like a day.
You know what? Before we move forward, I like how she did that. She did a comparison, something we already know about, and then she say it don't last. I like that.
Okay, your girl got a lot of flavors. Flavors? Oh my god. Scents.
You know what?
Get
I
this
think I've been
mofo
saying
outta
flavors
here.
the whole time.
Such an awkward angle, but then you tie it up. Oh my.
But she over there switching angles and moving the camera around. Well deserved, shawty. You did your thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got a repeat champion coming to the stage. Her name is Kilso in the house. She ain't made 1, not 2, but 3 videos. I don't know how much money she made, but she done made a whole bunch of money. And this video did $191,000. Let's go!
I know, it's crazy. They're only $6.99, which is why I bought all of these. I'm actually really excited about this one. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, but this apple booter, everyone who's saying you can't smell it, please tell me.
Yo, I don't know where shot it from, but I noticed in the other video she said Black ICE. Black ICE. And I said, why she ain't sell black ice? This one she said apple booter. I don't know if this is where she from. I'm kind of confused.
Scent season, these are the best. So yeah, just keep them all for me.
Regardless of how she say it, big shout out to Kelso in the house. She major be getting our attention. That's why her video winning. But big shout out, man. She done made big bang. All right, that's all I got, family. Make sure you go watch that next video. And also go check out Scent Season. That's Scent, SCN. Go to that TikTok shop. Get you some air freshener. I had to go ahead and get that barbershop. Many blessings, family. Go ahead and watch the next one. Peace. I'll see y'all in the next video.